Hello everyone, so this is my multi-vendor store, one of my clients. So I'm going to click customization. So in this video I'm going to show you a couple of mobile phone responsive changes on this website. You can see this website built by custom code, and we have a developer, so we created this website. So one thing I noticed that when I go to the responsive, you can see this title exactly matched exactly keep with this keep with this line. So I need the padding beside this heading. So all I have to do is I have to click here, and then you can see they don't have any options. So I will ask developer why they don't have any option. Okay, so for that I will take a screenshot. Okay, so I will also message CM brother, and this is my graphic designer. I will message him, and then we will design a mobile version banner. So you can see this desktop looks okay. So let's check the entire website of the mobile version looks. You can see this looks great, not bad. And here also this one, you can see here. Okay, but I can see that that still looks not too much good, but I have to optimize because you can see I didn't add the right banner. So I will I will talk with the graphic designer, and then I will add a lot of banner here. So but for the mobile version I will review this website. Why I'm reviewing? Because I have to deliver the project to my client, so that's why I have to show it. I have to check this. Okay, so you can see login option. Here is the one more option. You can log in and sign up for the point sign up for the Pirate store, start earning rewards, sign up and already have account, something like that. Okay, fine. So you can see that this is the mobile version. Okay, for the home pages, but I will improve the banner design. Okay, also for this one, I'm gonna improve the banner design. Okay, so for each collection I'm gonna create the banner. Okay, fine. So you can see that it's not too much professional, right? I'll also optimize that, no problem. And you can see this currently looks this one because it's all the product currently not same. So I will add one more banner here. I'll add the banner for this one, and I'll also add another banner for here. Okay, so I'm just reviewing this website, and then whenever I will talk with the developer, then I will change it, and then I'll also inform you that how I do that. So if I go to the product pages, let's see what the looks. In the product page, I think they're all this stuff okay. I have nothing to do here. And also you can see one more option, and then you may also like something like the banner. This product page is pretty simple and straightforward, and I will click here. And then also I should not forget to note down to for the banner design to talk with my developer and graphic designer. I will note down something like, for example, BAHCOLLACOLLAC banner design, then homepage banner design, and banner design with mobile version. Okay, and I think the other stuff okay. If I keep it black, you can see this text also getting back, so I have to change this one. My company, how this is okay for the subscribe or email. So I think I should not show it because it's look professional, right? Without sign up from. Okay, I will keep it as it is. Okay, something like that. And price we can filter, and then also I will add one more banner here. And I have a 3 band. You can see if I click here, and then I will be able to see that the 3 band I will specifically design a specific page for 3 band. Okay, so I will also show you. So currently I have to also confirm the logo. This I have to also make the color will be black. Okay, so because I am creating the website with 2 color, black and white, so let's make it the black color. So I have to click here, and then I will make it black. Okay, so it's gonna be black right now, so I have to click the save. You can see it's not getting changed, so maybe here's one more option. I'm not sure, let's try to find out. Let's click here, and I can see that it's not getting changed. For the reason, show separate line, show icon on desktop. Okay, let's save it and let's see this review preview, and then I will see this look. Okay, it's not getting changed, and I will ask developer why it's not changing. If I would create this website with Shopify theme, I think all would be great, or all would great, but this is not great because of that, this is built custom, so that's why there's a couple of problem. And also I will message developer to optimize this theme. You can see for the mobile version the text are actually the heading, sorry. If I show this one, let's see what's the issue. Okay, I need to hide that, and then I will take a screenshot and then I will give developer to change that. Okay, and if I add the different images here also, let's see this looks. I will add a couple of image based on my product in my store. Okay, so let's scroll down. Let's use this one for now. Okay, let's take a screenshot and I will mark that. Okay, so I will take a screenshot, then I will send to our developer. One second guys, let me find out the developer, which is okay, let's find out. Okay, so if I filter it, I will be able to get that easily because I have a lot of clients and then I need to message them. That's why they have a lot of chat. Okay, so here's my developer. Okay, okay, I will message him. And I will message him to change that. Okay, fine, so I will click that and he gonna fix that. On whenever he gonna fix that, then this problem going to be solved. Okay, so I think this problem will be solved also. And this one I will create a professional banner, and also this one I have to create the 3 banner. Okay, I will note down 3 banner and homepage 3 banner, 3 banner. I already know the 3 banner with the mobile version. Perfect. Okay, nice. I'll click the save. And let's see, I have a lot of section here since this is built with the custom. I will also add the sign up. Why sign up? Because I sign up from, I have removed from the, oh, I already have one, so I will delete that. Okay, so fine. So guys, that's a review. So you already saw that all the changes I told you, and then also I saw showing you. So let me preview this website, then we will see this looks. Okay, so I have a 3 brand. I will create a specific brand image. You can see swipe site and see dirt. I will, this is my brand, and I will design the brand pages for my client. Yeah guys, you can see this is my brand pages. Here will be one logo. Here I will write about my brand information so that people can easily trust and they can work with us. So guys, thank you for watching this video so far, and then I will also I also added the one more option, which is sell with us. Someone can also sell in my store. You can see that this is, I already told you that this is a multi-vendor store, so anyone can sign up and sell their product if I approve them. That's the thing. So guys, thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.